Hi everyone, this is Fiona again from All-M LED. Today I'm so excited to introduce our PR series Recessed LED Linear Light. It's a perfect blend of design, performance, and simplicity. Visually, it has the sleek black and white housing for choice, the clean, modern, and easy to match with any indoor style, whether it's a modern home or a professional business space. And here is next touch. It comes with 3 reflector options: white, black, and silver. You can choose the one that best fits your light mood or space design. Now let's talk about what really matters, the lighting performance. This light is a true glare killer because it has true optical setup, the UGR less than 16 or UGR less than 19. And this means whatever you want to use in the offices or other commercial areas is the perfect one for your choice. And yes, it's powerful. You'll get up to 142 lumen per watt, plus a wide 3000 to 6000 color temperature range. So whether you want the bright light or warm light, the PR series delivers perfectly. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, can leave your comments below. And see you next time. Bye bye.